the radical economic framework for eThekwini municipality means for all large contracts, specifically contracts over 30 million, 30% of those contracts must be given to emerging businesses. What this means is that even big businesses who come into the city and win contracts, if you look at your CIDB businesses from 6, 7, 8, 9 level of CIDB, those companies now have an obligation to give out 30% of the value of that contract to an emerging business. We are not only focusing on the tenders beyond 30 million, even the tenders below 30 million, we are saying the contractor participation goal, meaning what does the contractor give out to the community. That element is going to be promoted. We are going to look at a specification compilation level. When you compile specifications, we want to make sure that the specs talk to the empowerment goals, so that when you submit your bid, you are already addressing the empowerment. What we are doing in eThekwini is building a transformed and inclusive economy.